Hi, this is my Toyota Corolla, and as you can see, you can hear the noise here. And look at that here, you can see the check engine light coming. And by the way, I have here a check engine light, you can see it here, that I bought from Amazon. Okay, and it's a wireless check engine light monitor, and I find out that I have a code called P301. Okay, so what happened with that? Actually, it's misfiring, and usually when it's misfiring, it can be either the spark plug or the cable, more likely the spark plug. So I just want to show you how I'm going to replace it quite easily with no problem. Okay, so P301, it's misfire in cylinder 1. Cylinder 1 is that, cylinder 2 is this, 3 and 4. Remember, on the left side in a Toyota, that's the cylinder 1. So I suspect cylinder 1. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this one out. And I will turn the car again to see what's happening. If it continues the same, so I know the problem is either the cable or the plug. I most suspect the plug because it's already 2-3 years. So as you can see, without the plug or with the plug, if I put it in, nothing really happened. So it seems to me that the cylinder 1 is actually have an issue. It can be the spark plug or the cable. But I believe the spark plug, so I'm going to actually remove the spark plug now. Okay, to remove the spark plug, I'm using this 5/8 plug here, as you can see. Okay, it's a 5/8. Remember? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it inside. Now, I don't need really to disconnect electricity for that. It's not really dangerous. I'm coming here with that. Okay. And let's see what happened to cylinder 1. So I can just flip it and flip it and flip it. It's very easy. I believe it's out. Give another 2 cycle. And now what you can see here, if you look at it carefully, okay, so you can see really this cylinder is, this spark plug is kaput. You can see here, I don't know if it's rusted, destroyed, disintegrated, whatever, but look at that. And I want to show you the difference between these and a new spark plug. Let me just remove the spark plug from here. That is the spark plug, and look the way it looked like. Horrible. So here I'm using actually Denso, and that is NGK. But you can see the difference between both of them. Come on, unbelievable. So you know what? Every 2 years you have to replace your spark plug. 2-3 years, 20,000 miles.